Hey everyone, I have a quick update for those of you that are joining me for Ginger's Kitchen. It's important. Hi everyone, Cristin here, and I have a quick update about Ginger's Kitchen, the bench pillow that we're working on next. I gave out a video for prepping and gave all the information about all the different fabrics and the substitutions and all of that with our sponsor Binded by Stitches, but I noticed I made a mistake. So toward the end of the video, I included a batting cut guide, and two things were different on the batting cut guides. One, I missed the first two blocks somehow, so I added those in. And then the other thing is on the right hand side in the gray blocks, you can see that those are for the border blocks, and I made a mistake. All of those are incorrect. I put the quilting size that we'll need, not the batting cut. Now if you've already cut your batting, don't worry at all, it'll completely work. You would just add your batting on like how we do for our inner borders. Just add that onto your border and then skip those first two steps of the quilting. It will work fine. But if you prefer, then we can do the traditional method, and then we'll have our batting be a little bit bigger. So like say on a 2x4 block, we would have our batting be 3x5. So I've updated that, and at the end of this video, I'll include that so that you can do a screenshot and start your cutting. Hopefully you haven't started already, but again, if you have, it will work. The other thing I want to mention is a lot of times I recommend cutting border blocks a 1/2 inch larger than what is noted in the directions. So some of those will work and some of them will not. And you can tell by the ones that have like 3 border blocks together, you obviously don't want to make those bigger or it's not going to be the right size. So on those it won't work, but on some of them it will. So there's 18 total, I think it was 18 or 19 total border blocks, and I think it was 11 of them you can cut larger if you want. So I've noted that. I've made another document and I've pointed out which border blocks, what number they are, and which ones that you can make bigger, and which ones we're going to do together, like the 3 together that are 2x2. So all of that information I've included. Like I said, I updated the information, so you can do a screenshot for those, print them out if you want, but it will take a lot of ink cartridge. Screenshot is the easiest, but whatever works for you. So either way, we are ready. I haven't even started prepping yet. I just noticed that, and then it took quite a bit of time to get that all worked out. So take your time in prepping. I'm not ready yet, don't worry. All right, so let's get started prepping our fabrics to get ready for our Ginger's Bench Pillow group project.